caramel.
Okay, go. Moldy cheese or caramel corn?
Caramel corn right here.
Ready? Moldy cheese.
But we know.
Yes. Face the camera. Stay in your area. Mine is so good.
So moldy.
I'm strictly on mute. That's no way.
Oh, damn, far up. Get you down.
Look at you.
Stop now.
Does it taste like moldy cheese?
Like you smell mold. I hear a smell mold bread. Goes in my mouth, big cloud of it. Yeah, it's like a big ball. And it's extra chewy. Getting it.
Oh my god. That made me
Like
vomit.
this stuff on air too.
It's foaming at the mouth. Do you need a drink?
It's stuck on every tooth. Like every tooth it's stuck on. Like rotten mold.
My hat!
Oh, that was disgusting. Definitely haven't had that one yet.
Oh my gosh, I have moldy centipede booger baby white pencils. Rotten egg.
You're gonna get the good one on the egg.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, I can feel
You
it.
guys, if I didn't, then I'm 5 for 5. How many is there? 6. I've had 5 out of 6 bad ones. 7. 1, 2,
We had all of them in this batch because we had.
Yeah,
she
we
had
had
dog food. I had pudding.
We have skunk.
Yep.
I had dog food. I had skunk.
You had any good ones?
I haven't had any good. No, I haven't. Not today.
I
Just
had
not your
one.
day. I'm doing good.
Good choosing today. I have to go to the bathroom before you, I think.
Okay, you're good.
Hurry up,
Because,
coach. Hurry.
because someone will do something obnoxious and I'll probably end up just peeing. I can feel it.
We got 10 minutes, people.
Oh, that's